Hi friends, today we'll see how to prepare another form of popular snack, Mumbai Misal. People prepare it in different ways, but since these days people are not very oil friendly, let us see how to prepare the same misal with minimum amount of oil and with misal masala which you can prepare at home. Hope you enjoy it. Sprouting matki is a 24-hour process. I washed the matki and kept it in water for 8 hours, following which I removed the water and allowed it to sprout. You can even buy ready-made sprouted matki from the market. Misal masala is also available as a ready-made powder outside, but I have ground it fresh at home as it enhances the flavor of the recipe. We have taken 2 small sized or 1 medium sized onion, 2 tomatoes whose skin has been peeled off, and then we have chopped them into small pieces, coriander for garnishing, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon of asafoetida powder, and 10 to 12 curry leaves. Let's start preparing the misal masala. For this, we have taken 20 flakes of garlic, 1 medium-sized ginger, 5 to 6 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of dhane, 8 to 10 pieces of miri, 2 to 3 pieces of cloves, and 1 fistful of freshly grated coconut. Add little water in the mixer while grinding, taking care it doesn't become very watery. The ground masala looks like this. Let's begin with the preparation of matki usad. For this, we have heated the pan a little bit and added 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Let the oil get heated a bit. We have now given a seasoning of 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Add around half teaspoon of asafoetida powder to it. And then go the curry leaves. This is the minimum amount of oil that I have taken to keep it healthy, but if you want it to look like the way it looks in a restaurant, you can add 4 more tablespoons of oil to it. When you get a nice aroma of the seasoning, that's the time to put in the chopped onions and saute it well. After the onion is cooked well, we start adding the sprouted matki to the pan a little at a time and keep stirring. Initially, we need to stir the matki so that the raw smell goes away and it gets mixed evenly with the rest of the mixture. Now we add around half teaspoon of turmeric powder and little salt to taste. After stirring it well, we add half a cup of drinking water and again give it a stir so that the matki gets cooked in the water. We'll cover the pan now with a lid. You can even use a glass lid, but in case of the steel lid, put a little water on top of the lid so that the matki gets cooked inside, and keep checking intermittently every 10 to 15 minutes till it gets cooked. Now we add the masala to it and mix it well. To mix it really well, add a little bit of water to the mixture. This matki with the masala has to be a little watery as compared to the normal matki usad. We have to check whether the matki is cooked by gently pressing a grain between our fingers. Let's take now another pan and we are adding 4 teaspoons of oil to it, and then add the chopped tomatoes to the oil. Keep stirring till the water goes off, and slowly you will see oil separating from the side of the tomato. That is the time you switch off the gas. We prefer to add the tomatoes to the usad right now so that the mixture is homogeneous. You can even keep it separate and later add it to the misal. Let's begin preparing the misal now. We have taken the prepared usad in a bowl. Start adding the diced onions on it. Sprinkle a little bit of lime juice. Now goes the farsan. You can also choose to add salted peanuts or masala chana dal to it to give it the extra zing. And finally garnish it with freshly chopped coriander. Hope you relish the recipe. If you enjoy preparing and eating it, like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Hope to see you again with the next recipe.